guys, welcome to my channel. So this is today's makeup look. I am in love with it and I think it's just perfect for going out. We're gonna be using a lot of new products. Most of the products that I'm gonna be using I show you on my last Sephora haul, so if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it. But I just really like the result and it's really easy to do, so if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start with the makeup, I'm gonna take this facial spray from Mario Badescu, and it says that you're supposed to apply it before applying your moisturizer. So that's what I'm gonna do, and it's my first time using it, so I'm super excited. It smells so good. It says that it comes with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Okay, so it doesn't feel like I need any moisturizer, but it says in there that you're supposed to apply it after this. So that's what we're gonna do. And as always, I'm gonna take my Pond's moisturizer. I use this stuff every night before going to bed and every time I'm gonna do my makeup because it is super important to moisturize the face. For today's primer, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Okay, so now with my super red face, we're gonna go with the foundation, and I'm gonna use this foundation stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Warm Natural. Don't forget the neck, because we don't want to be a different shade down here. Okay, so here is the foundation so far. I have some blemishes, of course, every time I'm gonna record. So I think I'm gonna apply another layer. And see how it looks. Now for concealer, I'll be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. So the concealer really helped with the coverage. I am liking it. Okay, now we're gonna do some contour, and if you have ever watched one of my videos, you know I am in love with this matchstick from Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. I use it in the shade Truffle, so we are gonna contour the face. Now I'm just gonna blend everything in using my brush. Now to set my concealer, I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and my sponge. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this powder, and you can find it at Walmart. I always see people using it, but I didn't know how important it was. I know that most of you maybe know. I know, everyone knows. I didn't know. So it's super important for you to set your whole face with powder, because right now I did some cream contour, and if I don't set it, it's gonna be still a little bit wet. So if I go with my bronzer, the powder bronzer, it's gonna start looking patchy, and yes, I just didn't know how important it was to set your whole face. So if you didn't know either, go ahead, get this or any other translucent powder and just set your whole face. Okay, so after maybe half an hour of me trying to take all of the tape off, here we have it. It smells really good, but it's like everywhere. Now I'm just gonna take all the powder off with this fluffy powder brush. For our bronzer, highlighter, and blush, I'm gonna use for the first time this palette. This is the Smashbox Decali Contour, but I'm just gonna use it as bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So here it is. We have the bronzers, highlighter, and the blush right here. This is the shade that I'm gonna be using to do my bronzer. This is why this is a contour palette. It is a contour palette. Now I'm gonna use this blush shade and this Morphe brush. Do you see this? Oh my god. It's my first time using it, so don't judge me. Now for my highlighter, I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put it on top to see if it changes. So yes, there is a difference. Now I'm just gonna clean my contour using the Laura Mercier translucent powder and my sponge. Now for my eyebrows, I'll be using the Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. The eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using today is the Soft Glam Palette from Anastasia. And basically what we're gonna be doing today is applying this shade on the crease and then this other shade on the lid. Of course, we need some color and transition, but those are the main two shades. So first I'm gonna take the Tempera shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Now I'm gonna take first the Orange Soda shade and then the Burnt Orange, and I'm gonna apply both of them on my crease. Now I'm gonna add to my crease this Sienna shade. Now I'm gonna apply this Mulberry shade on the corner of my eye. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm gonna take the bronze shade and I'm gonna apply it on the lid using my finger. Look how pigmented it is. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna blend. Now for my bottom lash line, we're just gonna be applying the same shades that we put on the crease. Now for my inner corner and this tiny brush, I'm just gonna apply the same bronze shade. Now for my waterline, I'm gonna use this Lancome eyeliner. Okay, so for my wing liner, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liner, and these are the lashes from Kiss that I'm gonna be using today. They're called Sultry A. Okay, so here we have our lashes and the liner done, and I'm gonna apply my Better Than Sex mascara to blend my natural lashes with the fake ones. Okay, so now lipstick. I don't know what lipstick I want, but I saw this one from L'Oreal. They came up with a line that was chocolate scented, and they really do smell like chocolate. I have this one in the number 848, and the shade is Dose of Cocoa. So I'm gonna apply it and see if I like it. It smells like chocolate, like, oh my god. Okay, so it is really pretty, and I think it would look better if I had a dark lip liner on, but I don't have it, so I think I'm just gonna go look for another one. Yeah, I'll be right back. I have this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Lovely. I don't know. I'll put it on and see how it looks. This is an orangey red. I think I'm gonna go for just a dark regular one that I always use from Anastasia. Round 3, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. This is the one that I'm gonna use. This one is in the shade Hudson. Okay, now I like it. The last thing that we need to do is to set our makeup. To set the makeup today, I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus for the first time. Okay, you guys, so here we have our makeup all done. I am in love with it, and I just love this palette. There are so many different looks that you can do with this. This look, I think it's perfect for going out. It's just so pretty, and I love how the gold shadow looks. And okay, you guys, that's everything that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!